There's an Indian proverb that it takes 7 lifetimes to repay back the debt to your own parents for giving birth to you, for giving you this human experience, for nourishing you, for giving you the education to be able to speak, listen, learn. You were not born as an animal, bird, or plant. You were born as a human being. 30 Ayurvedic lessons that changed my life. All thanks to the sacrifices that your parents made. It's very easy to forget the sacrifices and start remembering the things that they did or didn't do for you. Here are 3 things you can do for your parents starting today. Number 1. Forgive them. Forgive them for the mistakes they may have done while raising you as a child. Remember, they're also human beings and they did what they could do best with what they had. God couldn't be everywhere. That's why God created parents to take care of us. Forgive them, because when you release that negative trauma, that negative energy from your body, you're also releasing negative diseases that can get accumulated in your body. You're also preventing your future generations from inheriting that trauma. This trauma ends with us. Number 2, nourish your parents. Remember, they're at that stage of life which is called Vata phase, which is a degenerative phase. Their bones, muscles, tissues, teeth, nails, hair are degenerating. You need to take better care of their nourishment. They're like children again. You need to feed them well and make sure to take them for Ayurvedic treatments. There are therapies like Abhyangam to improve blood circulation. There is Janu Basti, Griva Basti and Kati Basti treatments for the neck, lower back and knees, because the joints and muscles are getting dehydrated. The adipose and the good fat is getting dehydrated, which means the bones and muscles are more creaky, dry, dehydrated, leading to more aches and pains. The sleep is also getting affected. There are Ayurvedic medicines like Manasamitra Vatikam, which can be given after a doctor's consult. There are treatments like Shirodhara, Takradhara, Kshiradhara, which can be done to improve their sleep quality and prevent insomnia. They also experience chronic constipation quite easily because of the dehydrated colon. There are medications like Avipati Churnam, Brihatrifla Churnam, which can be given to them after a doctor's consult. Do speak to our in-house doctors on how we can help your parents better. Number 3, remember, your parents are going through a spiritual phase in their life. Having done their duties of raising their children, they're now in a new journey, seeking answers, finding their way to nirvana, to moksha, to break the cycle of life and death. Accompany them, fulfill their desires whenever they want to go to a temple, church, mosque, no matter what kind of a place they want to go to. Accompany them. Be a pillar of support. In Kashi, I came across a place, an old age home, where people come to die gracefully. They embrace God and death. You don't have to wait for your parents to ask. Be there for them, because no one has ever seen tomorrow and you'll regret when they're not around. Ensure to express your love in whatever ways you can, through thoughts, words, or actions. Here's to healthy parents and a healthy us.